Today we're going to be doing a video on the easy up and easy down tailgate on my 2016 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so all you're going to need for this is a 17mm spanner, a T50 torque bit, and then your strut. So I purchased mine from www.grunt4x4.com.au. You'll probably see that there's quite a few cheaper versions out there on eBay. I just can't go past buying quality over quantity, so I went for the Grunt. Now you're going to probably pay double the price than what you would pay on eBay, but with that easy down that I've already got fitted, it's been great. It hasn't faulted me once yet, and I've heard all the cheaper brands basically don't last that long either. So yeah, if you can afford it guys, go for the expensive one, and I can't recommend these guys enough. Really good. Get on their website. Alrighty, so step one, we need to remove the cable. Just gently bring it up and slide it off. Step one. Step 2, we need to remove the bolt where the cable is tied to. Make sure you keep your cable and your washer. Step 3, remove the strut from the box and your cable. Put the bolt back in. Making sure you got the cable the right way around. Don't do it up too tight to start with. Number 4, step 4, we need to reattach the cable. Now as you can see, the strut has got this bit of timber in there to stop it from going inside, so make sure you don't take that off. Otherwise it's going to go in and it's going to be very difficult to get back out. Alrighty, step 5, we need to remove the screw, which is the T50 torque bit. Just make sure you take out the closest one to the tail light. So keep hold of the screw, and basically you're going to need to lift up the tailgate just a little bit to basically sit the strut underneath where it needs to sit. And then tighten up the screw. Last step, step 6, is remove the timber piece between the strut. And you are done. Easy up tailgate. Easy down. Easy up. Easy down. Easy up. Alrighty everyone, there's a very short video for you. Hope you found it helpful. Very easy job to do. Highly recommend it if you have a tailgate like me, whether it be a Ford, Mitsubishi, Mazda. I think a few of them are exactly the same. It's only the latest models that have come out with the easy up and easy down tailgates on them. So yeah, if you do have the issue that I had, then get yourself onto grunt4x4.com.au and fit the struts to your tailgate, because you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and press that bell notification so you're notified next time I put a video up. Thanks again, guys. See you on the next one.